Great day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, our topic is all about Pythagorean Theorem. Our objectives are state the definition of Pythagorean Theorem, solve the missing side of a right triangle using the Pythagorean Theorem. One of the best known and most useful mathematical principles is the Pythagorean Theorem, credited to the Greek mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras. So what is Pythagorean theorem? Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs. Sa madaling salita, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Wherein c is equal to the length of hypotenuse. So ito po ang ating hypotenuse. And a is equal to the length of a longer leg, and B is equal to the length of the shorter leg. Okay? So let's have an example. So this formula, magagamit natin siya para makuha yung missing side ng right triangle. Let's have an example. Use the triangle on the right to determine the third side given the following measurements. So, pinalitan lang natin yung mga variables natin kanina. ABC. So this time we have MST. So M is our hypotenuse and S and T is our legs. So we have a given of S is equal to 3 centimeter, T is equal to 4 centimeter, and M is missing. M is our hypotenuse. Okay, so let's have our formula. M squared is equal to S squared plus T squared. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given natin. So, S is equal to 3. So, we have 3 square plus T is equal to 4. So, we have 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. And then add 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So, to get the answer, we need to extract the square root of m square and 25. So we have the square root of m square equals the square root of 25. So the square root of 25 is positive and negative 5. So our answer is 5 centimeter. So our hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Next example. Same variable again, and our given is S is equal to 7 centimeter, M is equal to 25 centimeter, and T is missing. So leg is missing. So let's have our formula M squared equals S squared plus T squared. Let's substitute the given. We have M 25. We have 25 squared is equal to 7 squared plus T squared. 25 squared is equal to 625 and 7 squared is equal to 49 plus T squared. So, para matira si T squared dito sa side na to, we need to do the addition property of equality wherein si 49 ay malilipat dito sa kabilang side. Okay, so we have 625 minus 49 is equal to T squared. Okay, and then subtract 625 minus 49 is equal to 576 equals T squared. So, to get T, we need to extract the square root of both sides. So we have the square root of 576 equals the square root of T squared. So our answer here is the square root of 576 is positive and negative 24. So our answer is 24 centimeter doon sa ating leg. Okay, next example. We have a given T equals 3 centimeter M is equal to 4 centimeter and S is equal to, so S is the missing side. Okay, so we have our formula M squared equals S squared plus T squared. And then substitute natin yung mga given na meron tayo. So M, we have 4 squared equals S squared plus our T is 3. So we have 3 squared. 4 squared is equal to 16 and 3 squared is equal to 9. So we have 16 is equal to S squared plus 9. And then uh, we need to do the addition property of equality para malipat si 9 dito sa kabilang side. So we have 16 minus 9 equals S squared. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So to get S, we need to extract the square root. We have the square root of 7 equals the square root of S squared. Okay, since si 7 hindi naman siya perfect square, our answer here is S equals positive and negative square root of 7, or S is equal to square root of 7 centimeter. Last example, we have example number 4. If the foot of a 10-meter ladder is placed 6 meters from a building, how high up the building with the ladder reach? So this is the ladder. So ang ladder ay 10 meters. And it is placed from a building in 6 meters. Okay. So meron tayong given na hypotenuse at meron tayong given na isang leg. So yung nawawalang side is yung isa pang leg. So we have a formula. Gamitin natin yung Pythagorean Theorem. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So substitute natin, meron tayong hypotenuse and isang leg. We have C squared, we have 10 squared equals 6 squared. 6 is the other leg. Okay? So pinalitan na natin ng variable si B, ginawa nating x dahil siya yung nawawala dito. Okay, so let's simplify. 10 squared is equal to 100. 6 squared is equal to 36. So we have 100 is equal to 36 plus x squared. Okay? And then gagamitan natin ng addition property of equality, si 36, para mapunta siya dito sa kabila at para matira si x dito sa side na to. So we have 100 minus 36 is equal to x squared. So let's subtract 100 and 36. 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. So to get x, we need to extract the square root both sides. So we have square root of 64 is equal to square root of x squared. So our x is 8 meters. So our answer is 8 meters. Do you have any question? I hope you're learning.